Just like when you're learning the sounds of the English alphabet, you need to learn the sounds of the Greek alphabet before you learn the names of the letters. Hello, I'm Steve Singleton, and this is a series on learning the Greek alphabet. We're working on learning the sounds of the Greek alphabet. We're going to do that before we learn the names of the letters. So here's the Greek alphabet in both capital and lowercase letters. And instead of going through the names of the alphabet, like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, we're going to learn how each letter sounds. And taking a cue from Hebrew learning, we're just going to put the first vowel after each one of the consonants that is not followed by a vowel. If a consonant is followed by a vowel, we'll put that vowel as the vowel that goes after it. And that way we're going to make 5 words out of all the letters of the alphabet to show what their sounds are. And here's what it looks like when you do that. Here's the alphabet, lowercase letters only, and we add the alpha after each consonant that is not followed by a vowel. The one exception to that rule is the delta. I put an alpha after it to round out the first of the words that are going to tell us all the sounds. So now we're going to go through these 5 words that represent the entire Greek alphabet, and then we'll sing them, which will make it a lot easier to remember. First word, abagada, abagada. Repeat after me, abagada, abagada. Abagada. Second word, edzethika, edzethika, edzethika. Third word, lamanaxo, lamanaxo, lamanaxo. Fourth word, parasatu, parasatu, parasatu. Last word, fa-chapso, fa-chapso, fa-chapso. If you have trouble saying the chi as a glottal fricative, you can just say it as a k, fa-chapso. So these are all the sounds of the Greek alphabet, and now we're going to sing them. So I'm going to sing it one time through, and then you sing it with me the second time and the third time through. Abagada, edzethika, lamanaxo, parasatu, fa-chapso. Sing it with me this time. Abagada, edzethika, lamanaxo, parasatu, fa-chapso. And we'll sing it a little faster the third time through. Abagada, edzethika, lamanaxo, parasatu, fa-chapso. Now we're going to do the same thing with the capital letters, with an alpha going after each consonant that isn't followed by a vowel with the exception of delta. Abagada, edzethika, lamanaxo, parasatu, fa-chapso. So, sing it with me. Abagada, edzethika, lamanaxo, parasatu, fa-chapso. And faster this time. Abagada, edzethika, lamanaxo, parasatu, fa-chapso. Abagada, edzethika, lamanaxo, parasatu, fa-chapso. And now if you take each one of these 5 words, abagada, edzethika, lamanaxo, parasatu, fa-chapso, and separate them out, dropping the alpha after each one except the first one, then you have the opening sounds of each of the letters of the alphabet. And that will give you helpsies for learning the names of the letters of the alphabet in the next video. See you then.